Microsoft Planner is a very easy to use tool that allows you to organize lists of to-dos such that you can stay organized and get stuff done either by yourself or with a team. So when you create a new plan, it allows you to create to-do items by clicking the little plus here. What you can also do is add different columns or what they call buckets. So different columns to organize your to-dos. This can be quite useful to have different categories of to-dos for any individual project or plan that you might have that you might want to implement. To get started with Planner, you can go to My ECSD, or you can type in tasks.office.com. Or if you're really anywhere in Office 365, you can just hit the app launcher. You will probably not see it listed in your list of default apps. So go to All Apps, and you should see it show up here, down here, Planner. 3 people, green check mark. Click the 3 dots and pin it to your launcher because that way it'll be very easy to come back to. Now what's quite useful about this is that I can also use an iPhone app or an iPad app or an Android app such that wherever I'm on, whatever device I'm on, I can be productive and all my to-dos kind of sync up, which is really nice. So if I have a task, create site for planner. Notice, here it is, my item. I can click on it to expand it, and you can see there are a whole bunch of additional options here. What bucket is it in? What's my progress so far? Start and end date. There's checklists. I can break down one task into several minor tasks, which I can then check off. I can add attachments. I can add comments. I can even assign it to someone or other groups of people. So I can, 2 other staff members are working with me on a particular thing. I want to assign a particular task to them. I can. There are also several labels. So with any one plan, and a plan being a whole group of to-dos around a particular topic, I've called my plan Danny's task, so pretty generic here. But you can have and assign up to 6 different labels, color labels, such that I'll just call them label 1, label 2, label 3, and so on. So for a particular item, I could just check mark, let's say, these 2 labels, and then when my task is closed, you can even see the little colors there. So visually across my list of to-dos, I can see what those labels are. I can even filter and search by those labels or due dates or whatever. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use this, but having a very easy to create set of to-dos that you can organize into categories that you can also assign or set due dates. When you set a due date, it'll actually even send you email reminders saying, hey, guess what? You've got a task due today. And all these other things. It really gives you a lot of flexibility for getting stuff done.